So guys, I'm discussing about that very important topic here. So if you want text, it will be there. The text will be how will be converted into voice conversion. How will be converted into voice conversion. I'm selecting this one option will be here. Previous, we can use option will be from text to speech.com. Nowadays, the website will be getting slow will be there. In this purpose, I give one more website will be called voicemaker.in. In this, just select your title, the content. After this one, so what are the language you want? The person will be there here. There will be support for the particular language will be here. They're supporting for a lot of languages, not only one. They're supporting for lot of language. They're supporting will be Hindi also. Suppose I'm selecting Hindi, the Hindi also will be select here. So here, just I'm selecting for years in this, converting to speech. So after converting speech, they will be showing here. Just click for download MP3 file. Select the person name based on the language. Suppose you want US British, 3 members. US Indian, 2 members. Suppose Indian one will be required. Convert to speech. Immediately the video will be played for in the text of MP3. If it is required, we can listen and download the MP3 option. So if we want English Indian option, they will be there. Aditi female, they went on the particular option will be there. Convert to speech. Without convert to speech option, we can't download. Here will be download and sent by the via email also. This future will be give voicemaker.in. Is a company we can use on the particular website to converting for text to speech or text to voice converter. We can use this option on the particular text to voice converter or text to speech converter purpose. Based on the language, person will be changed. We can use it. Guys, please don't expecting for Telugu option will be not given by the particular option. They're supporting for English and Hindi and other languages. We can go with the option will be French, Dutch, here, German, Hindi, Iceland, Italian, Japanese, Korea. So everything will be support in the particular language to convert text to speech, text to voice converter. Use voicemaker.in website.